Welcome back, guys. I know. Creating another tutorial for the new tutorial segment? Yeah, that's crazy, isn't it? This time it's gonna be a tutorial about how to create a volcano on Blender. Interesting, huh? First things first, let's get rid of this junk. Okay, so what we'll need one of the basic shapes. Now we have our cone. We will have to go to object mode, make sure that you have it on point. Go ahead and select all, subdivide. Upon doing that, we're going to go ahead and pull this down. We're going to switch the faces, select all of these. Then we're going to right click and dissolve face. Nice. We're going to select everything here. Also, if you want to, you can't like do it like this because it will do that. So you will have to hold shift down while selecting these. Almost forgot to mention that. Alright, so we're going to extrude along normals. Upon doing that, we're going to do this here. So far, so good. So from here, we take the next step. After we fix this here, ignore that. So after we've done that, we take the next step. We're going to modeling. No, I mean sculpting. So we go ahead and do this. Once you're proud with your results, we go right back to layout. From here, modeling. From here, we just go ahead and type A. That should select everything. Upon that, we're gonna right click and set the shade to smooth. Big mistake. So we're just gonna go ahead and do the shift and drag thing that we did earlier, and from here it should look nice and clean. So you may be wondering, something's missing. It doesn't quite look like a volcano. What kind of changes do I need to make now? Well, we need a texture. So let's add a new material. Add a texture image. Okay, after you've selected texture image, you click open. Should show you all the files, blah blah blah.
One eternity later.
Once you have your texture selected, feel free to go to UV editing. Also, you want to type Z and move it to material view. So we do the shift clicking thing that we were doing earlier. Let's go ahead, UV unwrap. Cube projection. Oh, that's weird how it projected. Almost looks like I missed something. Oh, doesn't matter. So from here, we go ahead, shrink things down, make sure things are the perfect size. So after we've done this, wait a second. What the? So, after realizing that something was wrong far too late, let's go ahead and UV unwrap this. Don't know why I didn't do that first. Right, this looks like this should be fine. Not bad. Also, I realize this might be also backwards, but who cares? So, yeah, this is your basic tutorial on how to create a very easy to create volcano. So obviously a lot more you can do, but I have to make this quick because, you know, I'm doing this for a friend. So, feel free to save your project, call it whatever you need to call it, and save it. And that will be the end of this tutorial.